Hello everyone, this is David Nguyen from iBrows Academy. In this video, I will show you how to do S-Curve Semi-Fractal number 2. Okay, so first, let me draw the spine. Alright, let's draw the spine 4, 6. Okay, can everyone see well? There we go, the camera is good. Okay, there we go, that's the spine. And now I'm going to do the S-curve. And okay, I'll show you the pattern real quick here. First one on the line. Can everyone see? Good. I think this way is better. Right, like that. Okay. First one on the line here. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay. Next one is an S-curve. 1. Okay, let me adjust the blade. Okay. 2 and 3, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, and 3, just like that. Okay. S-curve, 2, 3. Okay. S-curve, 2, 3. Okay. S-curve. Why are we doing the S-curve? Well, it helps us fix the problem with the spine. You see, nicely merged onto the spine here, and then the spine up there, the upper line. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, and the triple turn helps us cover very well. You see, if we have only 2 strokes, we have gap, so the third stroke here helps us cover the gap. Okay. Alright. Keep going. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. This one a little bit out of the line right there. We're almost done. One more stroke there. Okay.
All I
center line. Now go back and refill. Okay, keep going. There you have it. We're done. Alright, so that's S-Curve Semi-Fractals number 2. Here you go. Okay, I'm doing both sides with my right hand. Okay, yep, this is the yep. Alright, well, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, watch this video and make sure you do the homework for both sides, the left and the right sides. Okay, thank you and good night.